Hello everyone, today's time related phrase is Ante Meridiem. It is a Latin phrase that means before midday. It is where the abbreviation AM comes from, which we use when talking about time before noon. The proper way to pronounce it is Ante Meridiem. Ante Meridiem. Do not say it as Ante Meridiem, rather say it as Ante Meridiem. If you want to get closer to its Latin pronunciation, it would be Ante Meridiem. Ante Meridiem. The meeting starts at 10 o'clock ante meridiem or ante meridiem. If you enjoyed this pronunciation lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Latin phrases and tricky English pronunciations. And check out our playlist.